And speaking of returns, what changes, if any, can you expect to see this year?
News 3 reporter Anthony Sabella on top of that for us live in Norfolk. So you talked to an expert, Anthony. What'd you find out?
Hey, good morning. Well, I found out really that the main thing is any changes that we see on our tax returns this year really depend on what's happened in our life, whether things we can control or things we can't control. And I talked with Kevin Zivna about this. He's a certified financial planner with Wealthway Financial Advisors. He's the president of the company, and he says any changes are really going to come down mainly to three things specifically. And first, it's families that chose to receive the first half of child tax credits early last year. It was a kind of a one-time opportunity. Those families will only get the second half of their credits when they file this year. Also, if you deferred your student loan payments, you're not going to be paying any interest, of course, on those payments because you're not making payments, so you can't deduct that either, so something to keep in mind. And then those major life changes, so marriage, job loss or change, adding kids, all of that is going to affect your return in one way or another. Other than that, Zivna says now is actually a good time to start thinking about next year's return.
Start contributing to the company retirement plan or increase the amount you're contributing to the retirement plan. That comes out pre-tax, which means you get a tax deduction for that, and you're building up your net worth for your retirement down the road.
And when it comes to maybe doing something right now that will impact this year's return, the options are pretty slim. Zivna says if you do have extra cash, one thing you can do right now ahead of filing is contribute to an individual retirement account or IRA, which could be tax deductible depending on your income. For more information on this year's tax season and what to expect, click on this story at WTKR.com. Reporting live here in Norfolk, Anthony Sabella, News 3.